LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, but since the price at that time they haven't broke the previous low, we mentioned how we can look for this correction. And then we mentioned we're looking at this flat. That's why we mentioned if the price break the previous low, then any reversal we can look for, can give us better trade setup because we can wants to confirm this correction is finished and the last move with the breakout can turn to deeper move. And this is what we get. Okay, that's mean right now we're looking at this one as a correction and relative to this with the last move. All right, but there was a reversal, but there was no trade setup. Okay, that means no one could be in the trade. And after that, the sharply price dropped. And this is what we get here is because of the news. And since the price of the Bitcoin dropped, the rest flow, and no one see what's the next. In this case, we move to daily chart. And based on daily chart, the only thing is this one turned to a deeper correction. Still, we can expect this one drop some more. But based on lower time frame, if we get any trade setup, mostly for buy, we will take the trade. And if we move to forward chart, we don't have any trade setup because right now we're looking at this correction flat in relative to the first move and there's the last move. Also, still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction before we get the reversal. But from now, if we get any reversal, we will be more interested to look for buy. And if we refer to the indicators, we see the divergence and make the almost show us a divergence, but if there is a continuation, mostly will disappear. Anyway, based on forward chart, still we can expect the price drop some more. And since this is because of the news, but we can expect the price reverse. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, first of all, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence and as well here. That's why if we get any reversal, we will be more interested to look for buy. But right now we cannot jump in. Again, since the price dropped sharply, because most of the charts drop, because since they're following the Bitcoin, and again, it's because of the news. The only thing is right now is the best is we wait, we get the correction here. Then from there we can make a decision. Either we should look for buy or sell because if this one turn to a correction similar to what I draw here, mostly we can expect for one more drop. But if we get any reversal as a sharp move flag, we can look for trade. But what I can suggest here that even the best things let the price correct some. Let the price correct for a few hours even more than for a few hours before we take the trade because even we can expect the price reverse a bit, then we can expect one more drop before we get the reversal. May similar to what we get here. The price sharply drop, there was a correction, then we get the reversal. That's mean the possibility of the price sharply reverse from here is very less. We can expect the price. We can expect to get the correction here before the price reverse. May similar to what we get here as example because as we can see, the only way we could look for buy was here. There was no trade setup to look for buy within this move. The price drop, reverse, there was a correction for a longer time, then we get the reversal. And this is what we are going to expect to happen here. And as I mentioned, we are more interested to look for reversal because already this correction is finished. And the best thing is we wait to see what we get before we make a decision. As I explained, still we can expect this one drop some more. But for long term, if we get a reversal, this is what we are looking for. And again, we don't have any trade setup. We don't have any reason to either for look for buy or sell. The best thing is we wait, we get the correction. Then from there, if we get any trade setup, we can look for trade. In that case, I will give update. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.